Hi everyone, welcome to Naa's Kitchen. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have on the menu pepper steak. Yes, I hope you'll be inspired to try it by the end of this video. Let's just get into the ingredients right now. I have here half a pound of steak, thinly sliced. I have here 1 medium-sized sweet onion cut up in cubes. I have here the white part of green onions, which is same as scallions, cut up. I have 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper. You come here, I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I have half a teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce here. I have about 3/4 cup of beef broth. I have here 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I have here 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. I have here 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I have about a thumb size of ginger minced. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have about a tablespoon of oil. I have 1 tablespoon of cold water, and I have 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So let's start cooking. Okay, so I have my steak here. For starters, I'm gonna go in and pour my cooking wine, my baking soda, and my water. My hands are already washed, so I would go in and mix it all up together. And let it sit in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and start cooking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up our sauces. So I had my soy sauce in here, and I'm going in now with my beef broth. Then I follow up with my oyster sauce. Then I come in with my baking soda, my sugar, and my black pepper. And I mix it up. So here I am mixing up everything. So I'm done mixing everything up. I'm gonna set it aside and wait as my beef thaws in my fridge. So I put water in my wok and it's been boiling for a while now. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my steak to cook it a bit. I had my steak in the fridge for about 15 minutes. We're gonna cook it for a while till it turns a little white. So my beef is ready, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and prepare my wok for my steak, my pepper steak. Okay friends, so my wok's been heating up. I'm gonna go ahead now and pour in my oil. Then go back in with the beef steak. for a while. And I'm gonna come in now with my minced garlic and ginger. At this point, I'm gonna come in with my sesame oil. And keep stirring. So I'm gonna come in now with my green onions, which is the scallions. Remember, we only cut out the white part. Stir for about a minute and add in my peppers and my onions. I'll come in now with my peppers and my onions. Stir. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the sauce I mixed up. And stir. So now I'm stirring it and I'm waiting for my sauce to thicken. Remember, we put in cornstarch, so I'm waiting for it to thicken, and then that'll be it. If you think your veggies are cooked enough, you can just push them to the side like I'm doing right now, so it does not overcook with the stock. But if it's not, and you want it really tender, you can just mix it up and let it continue cooking. Okay friends, so as you can see, our pepper steak is ready, but this is just me, this is just my preference. If you don't have to add any salt, you don't like it, you do not have to. I just tasted it and I felt like I needed an extra pinch of salt, so I'm gonna go in and put in half a teaspoon of salt and stir it. But it's totally ready. So here we have it. I'll just go ahead now and turn off my fire. That's it. So here we have it friends, our pepper steak is ready. I served mine with a bowl of rice. You can serve yours with shrimp fried rice or chicken fried rice, anything goes. I hope you're inspired to try it. Leave me a comment in the comment section after you do. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and share. Thank you so much and have a very good one. Bye.